Okay, I'm making buff buff. I'm using the buttermilk pancake mix. I'll take a cup of that. Just a cup. Just gonna make a little bit. I'll put my nutmeg, just a little dash. A little bit of vanilla extract. No sugar added, nothing else. So I'm just gonna be adding my milk, my water. Remember I said I'm making a little bit. I will show you what it should look like. I just added a little water. Should be like this. This is a little too light. I'll just add a handful of this. Remember we're making puff. Okay. This is the consistent that I need. See that? This is it. So that I can cut it into the hot oil. So that's it. So you leave it to rise. See, on close range. So the oil is hot enough now, but I'm going to start frying. Notice that I dip my hand in cold water. I scoop. I'm going to scoop like so. Then I'm going to drop. See that? I scoop and I drop. I scoop and I drop. Keep scooping and dropping. I don't like waiting till the oil is very, very hot before I put, because it starts burning and doesn't cook it to the middle. So that's it. So it's frying already. I'm just gonna keep it separate. As you can see, it's already forming balls. I didn't have the energy to make this ball perfect, but you get what I mean. It's already forming into buns. And because the oil was not too hot when I dropped in, it's going to cook this to the middle. And it's going to ensure that it rolls well. See how risen it is? So this one flip by itself. I'm going to flip this, flip, and flip. See how it's looking already? So I just made a tiny little bit to show you. I made donuts already this morning. I made donuts this morning. I'll show you the video for that later. Really nice donut. Made this morning. Fried a whole bunch this morning. So I'll show you how I did that another time. I'm tired. So this I'll just keep flipping so it doesn't get burnt. And if you notice, this is not the same, they're not equal in measurement, because I was just doing a little batch. Usually when it's more even. So keep frying. I have to keep turning. I enjoy just I enjoy turning and turning because it's so beautiful. So. And also I want an even cook. So I just turn. No, that side needs to go back. And it needs to go back. Wait for a little bit. I'm almost done. remember, you put the nutmeg and the vanilla extract, just a little bit. Because it's not too sweet, sometimes I add Splenda or a little sugar, because this mixture is not too sweet. But that's why a lot of people like mine puff puff, because it's not too sweet. People always comment, oh my god, it wasn't so sweet, I loved it. It's because I just do straight. I don't add any more sugar or anything. But sometimes my son wants sweet tooth, and he tells me, Mom, can it be a little sweeter? And then I add Splenda. So this is it. Get in there. Almost ready to pack it now. So I'm going to pack now. See how beautiful it looks? That's it. Beautiful, isn't it? That's it. We're done. Turn my stove off. Bon appetit. So I'm going to put some on the plate so you see it. This is it. Very nice.